I start by sketching the mug on the gnome. Then I shape the nose, smooth and round. I carve texture into the beard with gentle cuts, one at a time. A few cuts under the hat and nose add shadows and bring it to life. Just a small curve creates a smile, and suddenly it feels like someone. It's not just a carved figure anymore. I carve the bottom with a slight curve so it can stand steady no matter where you place it. And finally, I apply a bit of oil to bring out the color and warmth of the wood. If you like wood carving and a bit of magic, feel free to subscribe.